The reason we really wanted to get involved more with the lithium type style is we are seeing definitely two styles of campers. And part of that's because of campgrounds. Where can I camp? I don't want to have to book my holiday trip for Halloween with my kids 2 years in advance. So to not have to do that, I need something that's self-sufficient, that's reliable, and I can go park in a vineyard. I can go rent next to the cow patties in the middle of Iowa, anything you want to do with that. And we're seeing that part of it is growing.
So at Dragonfly Energy, we also own a brand of batteries on our consumer side called Battleborn Batteries. And with that brand, we've kind of revolutionized the way that people think about lithium batteries in RVs. And it kind of changes the way that people think about using an RV now because they have so much more standby power. And I think in alignment with Dragonfly Energy's brand and our quality and our expertise with lithium, allows us to kind of partner with Keystone and their innovations.
Lithium ion batteries are the next level of energy. So really us being able to repurpose solar power and be able to have a battery like lithium ion, a Dragonfly battery, products that are made to store massive amounts of energy, as well as a reliable source to be able to handle many of the things that consumers are going to need to operate throughout the coach, is very important.
Lithium's really exciting. It provides a better energy source out there. It can store more energy in a lighter, smaller package. It can put out energy for a longer duration, quicker charge times. It's really fundamental to solar because there is energy in the sun. The lithium battery will take all that energy and store it. Also, too, that's going to last them 10, 12, 15 years, and they're not going to have to address batteries.
Without a doubt, a leader like Montana is a great company to go out and be able to provide this to customers. It's a perfect marriage between being out and not being hooked up, but being able to operate your unit and not have any worries about not being able to support it.